Understanding Twilight Moments in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, Twilight Moment. This term has various interpretations and uses in English, and understanding it can enrich your language skills. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. First, let's break down the term twilight. Twilight refers to the time of day just after sunset or just before sunrise, when the light is dim and the day transitions to night, or vice versa. It's a time known for its soft, diffused light and is often associated with beauty and calmness. In a figurative sense, a twilight moment can refer to a period of uncertainty or transition. Just like the twilight time of day, it's a phase where things aren't entirely clear or defined. This can be used to describe situations in life, relationships, careers, or even historical events that are in a state of change or ambiguity. Let's look at some examples. 1. Personal life. After graduating, I was in a twilight moment, unsure of what career path to choose. 2. Relationships. Their relationship was in a twilight moment. Neither of them knew if they were together or breaking up. 3. Historical context. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked a twilight moment in European history, signaling major changes. When you use twilight moment in conversation, it's important to provide enough context so the listener understands you're referring to a period of transition or uncertainty. It's a poetic and nuanced way to describe such phases, and can add depth to your conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, twilight moment, more confidently in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, emotions, and experiences. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this beautiful phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.